Welcome to our fashion style and sewing project ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. In today's video, we focus on sewing projects that meet daily fashion needs while offering strong income potential. Clothing is not only about appearance, but also about comfort, practicality, and confidence. By understanding what women wear regularly, you can create products that sell consistently and build a reliable source of income. Each design in this collection is carefully selected to balance simplicity with market demand, making it easier to produce and scale. From casual wear to semi-formal pieces, these projects allow you to serve different customer needs without overcomplicating the process. The goal is to transform everyday clothing into profitable products through careful cutting, clean stitching, and thoughtful finishing. Whether you are working from home or growing a small sewing business, these designs will guide you step by step. Let us begin building practical fashion pieces that people need and are ready to buy. Tie front crop top. The tie front crop top is a trendy and youthful design that combines simplicity with modern style and flexibility for everyday wear. It begins with selecting lightweight fabric such as cotton or rayon that drapes well and feels comfortable against the skin. Measurements focus on bust and cropped length to ensure a flattering and balanced fit. The pattern features a front opening with extended panels that tie together, creating an adjustable closure. Cutting must be precise to maintain symmetry between both sides of the garment. Sewing starts with assembling the main body panels, followed by finishing the neckline and sleeve edges neatly. The front tie extensions are reinforced to ensure durability during use. Hemming completes the garment with a clean and polished look. This project is beginner-friendly and quick to produce, making it ideal for consistent production. From a business perspective, crop tops remain highly popular, especially among younger customers, offering strong sales potential in fast-moving fashion markets today. Paper bag waist skirt. The paper bag waist skirt is a stylish and comfortable design that features a gathered waistband, creating a soft and voluminous effect. It begins with selecting lightweight to medium fabric such as cotton or linen that holds gentle structure. Measurements include waist and desired skirt length to ensure proper proportion. The pattern is based on a wide fabric panel that gathers at the waist above an elastic band. Cutting must be even to maintain symmetry throughout the design. Sewing starts with preparing the main skirt panel and forming gathers evenly along the top edge. Kimono-style robe. The kimono-style robe is a relaxed and elegant garment that emphasizes comfort, flow, and simplicity in construction. It begins with selecting lightweight fabric such as satin, cotton, or rayon that enhances movement and drape. Measurements include shoulder width, sleeve length, and overall garment length. The pattern is simple, often cut in wide panels with extended sleeves integrated into the design. Cutting must ensure symmetry between both sides for a balanced appearance. Sewing starts with assembling the main body panels, followed by attaching the sleeves if separate. The front edges are finished with a clean facing or band to create a polished look. A belt is added to allow adjustable fitting at the waist. The hem is completed evenly to maintain flow. This project is beginner-friendly and efficient to produce. From a business perspective, kimono robes are highly versatile and popular, suitable for loungewear, fashion layering, and gift items, making them profitable and easy to scale. Buttoned A-line skirt. The buttoned A-line skirt is a timeless design that combines structure with elegance and everyday practicality. It begins with selecting medium-weight fabric such as denim or cotton that holds shape well. Measurements include waist, hip, and skirt length to ensure a flattering fit. The pattern gradually widens from the waist to create the classic A-line silhouette. Cutting must be precise to maintain symmetry between panels. Sewing starts with assembling the skirt panels and preparing the front opening for buttons. The button placket is reinforced to ensure durability and alignment. Buttons are attached carefully to maintain even spacing. A waistband is added to secure the fit, followed by finishing the seams neatly. Hemming completes the design with a clean finish. This project requires moderate skill but produces a professional result. From a business perspective, button skirts are versatile and consistently in demand, making them reliable products for steady sales and long-term profitability. Off-shoulder blouse. The off-shoulder blouse is a stylish design that highlights the neckline and shoulders while maintaining comfort and elegance. It begins with selecting lightweight fabric such as cotton or chiffon that drapes softly. Measurements include bust and blouse length to ensure a proper fit. The pattern features a wide neckline that sits below the shoulders, often supported with elastic. Cutting must be accurate to maintain balance across the garment. Sewing starts with assembling the main body panels, followed by creating a casing along the neckline to insert elastic. This allows the blouse to stay securely in place while providing flexibility. Sleeves can be added or kept minimal depending on design preference. The hem is finished neatly to complete the garment. This project is beginner-friendly and visually appealing. From a business perspective, off-shoulder blouses are highly popular in fashion markets, especially during warm seasons, making them attractive products with strong sales potential. Pleated mini skirt. The pleated mini skirt is a youthful and dynamic design that emphasizes structure, movement, and modern fashion appeal. It begins with selecting fabric that holds pleats well, such as polyester blends or cotton. Measurements include waist and skirt length to ensure proper proportion. The pattern requires additional fabric to create evenly spaced pleats across the garment. Cutting must be precise to maintain consistency in pleat size and spacing. Sewing starts with forming and securing the pleats carefully before assembling the main skirt structure. A waistband is attached to hold the pleats in place and provide a secure fit. A zipper or button closure may be added for convenience. The hem is finished neatly to maintain the shape. This project requires attention to detail but delivers a strong visual impact. From a business perspective, pleated skirts are highly fashionable and widely worn, making them attractive products with strong demand among younger and trend-focused customers. Basic tank top. The basic tank top is a simple and essential garment that focuses on comfort, versatility, and ease of construction. It begins with selecting soft and stretchable fabric such as jersey knit that provides flexibility and comfort. Measurements include bust and length to ensure a proper fit. The pattern is straightforward, consisting of front and back panels with wide armholes and a rounded neckline. Cutting must be accurate to maintain symmetry. Sewing starts with joining the shoulder seams, followed by stitching the side seams securely. The neckline and armholes are finished with binding or hemming to create a clean look. The bottom hem is completed evenly. This project is highly beginner-friendly and quick to produce. From a business perspective, tank tops are everyday essentials that have constant demand. Their simplicity allows for mass production, while variations in color and fabric make them suitable for different markets and seasons. Wrap midi skirt. The wrap midi skirt is a versatile and elegant garment that offers adjustable fitting and a flowing silhouette. It begins with selecting lightweight fabric such as cotton or rayon that moves naturally. Measurements include waist and length to ensure a balanced fit. The pattern features overlapping panels that wrap around the body and tie at the waist. Cutting must ensure both panels align correctly. Sewing starts with finishing all edges neatly, followed by attaching waistband ties securely. The wrap design allows flexibility in fitting different body shapes. The hem is completed evenly to maintain flow. This project is beginner-friendly and adaptable. From a business perspective, wrap skirts are highly popular due to their comfort and adjustable nature. They reduce sizing challenges and appeal to a wide customer base, making them reliable products for steady income. Short sleeve shirt dress. The short sleeve shirt dress is a classic and practical design that combines structure with everyday comfort. It begins with selecting breathable fabric such as cotton or linen. Measurements include bust, waist, hip, and length. The pattern includes front panels, sleeves, and collar. Cutting must ensure precise alignment. Sewing starts with assembling the main body, attaching sleeves, and constructing the collar. Buttons are added along the front opening. Hemming completes the design. From a business perspective, shirt dresses are timeless and widely worn, making them consistent sellers. Layered peplum blouse. The layered peplum blouse is an elegant garment that combines structure with soft flowing layers for a refined look. It begins with selecting fabric that holds shape while allowing movement. Measurements include bust and waist. The pattern includes a fitted bodice and layered peplum sections. Cutting must ensure proper alignment. Sewing starts with assembling the bodice, then attaching the layered sections evenly. The neckline is finished neatly. Hemming completes the design. From a business perspective, peplum blouses are flattering and stylish, making them attractive for premium pricing. These 10 sewing projects highlight how simple and practical designs can be transformed into valuable products. By focusing on everyday clothing needs, you create items that customers consistently look for and purchase. The key to success lies in maintaining quality, precision, and consistency in every piece you produce. Each design offers an opportunity to build your skills while expanding your product range. As you continue to refine your techniques, your work becomes more efficient and professional. This allows you to produce more while maintaining high standards. Over time, these small improvements lead to stronger customer trust and increased sales. Sewing is not only a creative activity, but also a powerful tool for building a sustainable income. By choosing the right designs and executing them well, you can turn simple fabric into products that add value to everyday life. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.